Hey guys, this is Natalie from Mopar Wholesale Parts, and we are going to replace the battery on this key fob. This is how the battery comes in the package, and this is the new one we took out to put that in this key fob. So this is a Dodge Ram key fob. There's a lot of older Mopars like Dodge Challengers, Chargers, Grand Caravans, Dodge Journeys with this key fob. And then there's newer models that changed to this key fob. We will be doing a video on to replace the battery on one of these. As for now, we're going to go ahead and replace the battery to the cockroach key fob. So we are going to take the key apart from the key fob itself. Let's see if I can get it. It's usually not that hard, it's just my nails. Cool, perfect. All out, and now we just have to get a flathead and put it somewhere in between here to separate the key fob and split it in half to replace the battery. So perfect, there it goes. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like. So we take the old one out and put the new one in. As you can see on the key fob, it says positive side down. The battery has a plus sign, so just put that in here and put the key fob back together. Let's see. Perfect. And voila, we're done. So that's how you do that, and we are pretty much set. So if you're unsure of this remote battery fitting your key fob, please do not be afraid to click the link below to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mopar Wholesale Parts. If you're interested in buying the remote battery from us, click the links below for our eBay and Amazon stores, and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.